Good morning, sir.
वो तो चल रहा है। हाँ तुम अपना दोस्त तुम्हारा मम्मी का तो है तो।
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Very
Good
good.
morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. That only 4 students are there. We have to wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Only 5 students are in the meeting.
No, no, not 5. You have included me also.
Only 4, sir.
Wait for few minutes. Let's see how many more are going to join. How you all are? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Udit, how are you?
सब फाइन है।
Fine. Shivans, switch on your audio video. Aradhya, you also switch on your video. Aradhya. At 11:05 we will start the session, right? At 11:05.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir.
Yes, beta home.
Sir, when I click on the e-connect to connect this class, they may be asked to get password.
Okay, password. So I must give information. Password.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, everyone. Jai Hind also. Jai Hind,
Morning, sir.
everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Everyone, please switch on your video. Switch on your videos. Everyone. Kumar Santanu. Navnidhi. Unnati. Anmol. Raj. Janvi. Satakshi. Aradhya. Niti. Shivans. Avantika. Please switch on
Good
your
morning,
video.
sir.
Good morning. Please switch on your video.
Yes, sir.
Already we are late. 11:09. So we must start.
It's
Yes. Who said?
11:08.
11:08. So we must start the session. We will go for the revision of Python, the chapter number 6, review Python. As I told you earlier in my June classes, you must be with your book. You all are having book with you?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
having book?
Yes, sir.
Just give me the sign. Everyone is having book?
Yes, sir.
No need to say better. Mute yourself. Only this you will do. Okay. So review Python. Before starting Python, Python is a programming language. As you have seen in my videos, it's a programming language. Into this, we used to write the programs just for doing any task. Nowadays, you are listening everywhere, coding classes. Are you listening? Everyone? Coding classes? So what is this? In Python also we used to write the codes for performing any of the tasks, right? So how it works? Actually, computer works in a very simple way. It works like whatever input we are providing it, as per that input, it processes the input. As in the case example I am telling you, students, suppose at your home, mother gives you information that you have to prepare a cup of tea. What you used to do after getting the instruction from mother, then we used to perform the activity. After performing the activity means processing takes place over there. After the activity performance or processing, we get a cup of tea, right? The same way, if I say keep we have to suppose your mother has told you that now it's your time, you have to prepare pizza for everyone. What you will do? First time your mother will tell you how we are going to prepare pizza, right? She will provide you with the ingredients and every material. Then after this, after every material, what we used to do? All the input we got. After getting all the input, what we input means with that ingredients on our pizza base, we used to put everything. Then put it in your oven. Then after a few minutes, in oven processing takes place. What processing? It is cooking the pizza. After the processing, your pizza is ready. Is it? Means computer works on input, process and output. Input, process and output, only this is the way. What input we are going to provide to it, it will process it, and after process it will give us meaningful information that is in the form of output. Is it clear, students? Three processes are there: input, process and output. Means in three ways your computer performs. Only three ways: input, process and output. What input we are providing, as per that input it will process, and after that it will provide us the result. In our Python, why we are going to use Python? There should be some uh, use of it or some advantage of it. Can you tell me any of the example of using Python? Yes, Udit.
Sir, the Python is very so Python is a language so that we can learn and make the website for our by ourselves.
Arnav Pandey. Arnav, your video is on. Anyone? Saurabh Suman. Saurabh Suman. Why we use Python? Any advantage? No. Who will tell? Who will tell? Atma Prakash. Can you tell me?
Sir, for making programs.
No, no. Advantage means features. I am asking. What are the features? First of all, it is very simple. It is very simple. Means writing codes for Python, it is very simple. Steps we have to write, and after writing the steps, it follows our instruction and processes it. Right? Second, very important, platform independent. Means it's not designed, this language is not designed for any of the platform. If you are running Windows onto your computer, you can also run it. You are using Macintosh, then also you can use. In Android also you can use. Then iOS you can use any of the platform in which you want to run your Python programs, that is easy. Next is very important, case sensitive. As in the case of, suppose any variable you have taken capital A, B, C. Capital A only, B is small and C is small. It is case sensitive. Sometimes you are going to use that variable for any other purpose. If you are going to write all in small or in capital, it will not get the value from that variable because it is case sensitive. As you have assigned your variable, the same way it will be used. Is it clear? Everyone? Clear? Next is object oriented. Means whatever object you want to get it from, it is object oriented. After getting the input for any of the output, it will definitely, after writing the right codes, it will give you the right output. Right? Next is interpreted language. It interprets with the computer. Means whatever interpreted means one by one, its commands are executed. Right? You have given a group of commands, and when you are running your program, then what happens? It one by one, in steps, it executes it and gives us a result. Right? Is it clear? By all these features, we use Python due to its simplicity. Right? And all the commands, they are in simple English language. No need to go for a high programming skill. You have to know the concept. After knowing the concept, you can give the commands, and according to the commands, you will get the result. Is it clear? Now, as per this, anyone is interested to ask the question as per this only, features and working of computer. Anyone? Those who want to ask the question, they can give like this. Anyone? Any query? No one? No one is having.
Sir.
First, show me your finger. Who? Prakash. Yes.
Sir, what is Boolean?
What? Sorry?
Sir, Boolean.
Boolean. Booleans means whenever we are going to use Boolean, that means either of the two. Either of the two. As in the case, at present you are at home, right? When you are going to school, your attendance is going on. Either you will be present or absent. Any student, it becomes, sir, I am present but absent. It happens. Prakash, it happens or not? Either you will be present or absent. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
a Boolean type. Now we are moving towards. Have you all installed your Python on your computer? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Because I told you, only you have to go to the Python website, and from there, python.org, you can download your Python programs. It means platform you can download, and from there you can work on that platform. Is it? Right?
Sir, what will be typed in the website?
What?
What will be typed in the website to download the Python?
Python.org. That will give you the home page of Python. From there, you have to move towards the download section. From download, when you click on download, your Python language will be downloaded onto your system as a platform, and you can use that to write programs. In my video, I told you it works on two modes. What are they? Interactive and
Script mode.
Interactive and script mode. What is interactive mode? Interactive mode, that is work means if I am going to write any of the command, immediately it will give us result. It will give us result, and it is working just like interpreter. Means whatever command we are writing, as per that command it is giving us result. In that, we cannot produce or prepare a complete program. While in script mode, it gives a separate window into which you can write the complete set of commands, and after giving complete set of commands, when you run it, after saving, when you run it, you will get the result immediately. You have seen my video, everyone. In that, I have given you, yes, Atma Prakash.
Sir, nothing. I am saying that I have seen your video.
etc. Those who have seen the video, you are able to understand the interactive mode and your script mode. Interactive mode, whatever things you are going to perform, stepwise you have to perform. While in the case of script mode, the complete set of commands for writing any of the program you have to write, and after writing the complete set of commands, when you save it and run it, you will get the result on screen. Right? Is it clear, everyone? Script mode and interactive mode. Clear? To everyone? Now, in interactive mode, as we are going to write any of the command, after writing we are going to get the result of it. During this interactive and script mode, any question, you are free to ask question. Is don't hesitate. Whatever question you are having with Python, you can ask. That's Alankrita first.
Sir, in interactive mode, it is written that of Python, the interpreter executes the statement one by one. Sir, it means that, I want to understand the meaning of this first sentence. Sir, that
means in an interactive mode, you are getting the main window of Python. You are getting the main window of Python. There, a single command you will write. The single command you will write, and as per that command, you will get the result. Means a single command will be executed at a time. I will show you both the things. Okay, now I am going to show you the screen of your Python. So, are you able to see it, everyone? Are you
Yes,
getting my
sir.
screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Python I started. This is interactive mode. This is interactive mode. Into this, suppose I am going to write print in bracket with quotation your school's name. Right? I have written, as soon as I will press enter, I am getting the result. Means a single command is executed at a time. This is interactive mode. Listen first. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Next is your, when you are going to click on new file, this is your script mode. Right? Now I am in our interactive mode. Suppose Sunbeam Academy. Now we have to write for Sunbeam Academy. It is situated in Varanasi. Then I will write print, then Varanasi. After writing, it is given. It is interactive mode. One command is executed at a time. Right? Now I am moving towards script mode. I am going to write print Then I'm going to write this one. Now, to run it, we have to save it. To save, it will ask you the location where you want to save. I saved here with this name. Already the file is there. Then after saving, when I run it, run the module, you are able to see Sunbeam Academy and Varanasi both has printed at the same time. Means it has executed both the commands, but the execution is again here one by one. Suppose I am going to make change in this one. By mistake, I have given error over here. By mistake, nahi, by purposely I made a mistake. First line, it is showing me the error. Then I will put here quotation. Then you will see after saving, when I run it, it is giving us the result. Means one by one. After clearing the first step, it will move towards the second step. Is it clear to everyone? Now,
Yes, sir.
clear? Now, with that print statement, we are having comma, new line and tab. Comma, new line and tab. What is the use of comma? When I am going to use comma, it puts the value after leaving one space, right? So we are going to see here print quotation. I have given Sunbeam. First, I will show you without comma. You will see both are printed just beside one another. Am I right? Now the same command I am going to copy and I am putting here comma. Then run it. Have you seen a space over there? See this result without any space. Here I am having a space because I use comma, right? Next, new line. Suppose here I am going to use backslash n. Then what will happen? We have to see. Right? It starts from a new line. Is it? From a new line, it is starting. Okay. Now the next slash tab means when we are going to give slash tab, आप इसको ध्यान देना, इस वाले को, और मैं यहाँ पे रिजल्ट दे रहा हूँ स्लैश टैब टी के साथ. So this is backslash t. It will give a tab space. This is 5 space. It is not showing by. Okay. Suppose I am going to. I have written any of the number, suppose 1, then slash t, then academy. Okay, I am showing you. next in our program, I will show you. Anyone having question?
Sir, I think that there should be one comma before T.
What? I will see
T.
that one why it is not in, because slash n is speaking, slash t is not taken by it. I will see it again. So regarding this interactive mode, I have shown you, and script mode. This was a demo only. Regarding this, whatever problem or whatever question you are having, you are free to ask anyone. Since we have not gone for any revision earlier, we will, in the next June class, we will talk more about this one with few examples. Question from anyone? Question from anyone? No one? Arshita? Any problem with her?
No, sir.
You have not practiced at all, no? No. Anyone? Manasvi? No problem. Alankita? No question?
No, sir.
But in the next class, we must have 2 questions from you people. Be prepared. Everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So for today,
Okay, sir.
today we should stop the session. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, take care yourself. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye.